loan you're trying to get. Like if you're trying to get an FHA loan, I have lenders right now that say they can go all the way down to a 580 credit score. So if you have a 580 credit score, don't have more than $2,000 in collections, and your debt to income ratio is good, you've been at your job for 2 years, then you can possibly go with the FHA loan where you'll put 3.5% down. So if you buy a $100,000 house, that's $3,500 down. If you are buying a $200,000 house, that's $7,000 down. Now that's an FHA loan. You're only going to need a 580 credit score. If you're trying to do like a no money down USDA loan, I always tell people you only need a 620 credit score to get that loan. So these are the required scores for you to go ahead and get that loan. And with the USDA, you don't have to put any money down on your home. So that's a 0% down payment. If you guys are trying to do like a VA loan, if you are able to get the VA loan, then I have lenders that say they can go all the way down to a 550 credit score. So, you know, that is extremely low. So they go all the way down to a 550 credit score. And then like conventional, you're around that like 620, 640 credit score. Now that you know like the basic credit scores, I want you to know what's the safest. Like, what is the safest credit score? Now, if you know the basics, I always tell people if you have at least a 680 credit score, you wouldn't go wrong because the safest mean that you're going to get the home. And some people that apply for it and like, I got a 580 credit score, but something go wrong. Something reports to their credit report, such as they spent too much on their credit card, and just that little bit that they spent dropped their credit score some. Now they was already at 580, now they're at 570, and now they're not able to get the home. So I always tell people try to have like a 680 because then you'll have all your options open on what type of loan. On any type of loan that you want to get. So try to have at least a 680 credit score if you want to have the safest credit score. Now, if you like, hey, listen, I need to get this home, we're going to figure this out, I'm not going to just wait till I get that 680 credit score. You don't have to do that because people getting approved right now, like I said, with the 580 credit score, and they're going ahead and getting their home. So the safest credit score, I'll say the safest is a 680